Well, I'm back, and I found something pretty cool. I was riding on a scooter with my grandpa, and I noticed that the gate controller was smashed for the gate down our street, and so I decided to snag something. Got a Chamberlain Elite Series right here. Yeah, I like this. I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, just finding something on the side of the road like this. There's a rare chance of that. Yeah, definitely something good to find. Yeah, here's the back of it. All those little controls, microphone, thing where the screen would usually be. Yeah, pretty cool find. Alright, bye.